So now for baby wo. Now if there's a problem they should tell us we will get it. They will accommodate ourselves for this kind of issues about aden. Doom light sa doom aden dey na su Ghana. Say doom so na about o can say doom so na about no
Accra there the daily graphic ya there. Ya publish say na bia a show man e be doom show man.
And mo fa kuma se dey so come
e bia ha.
Wo dey kuma se dey o mo fa mra na wa aka no ha. Kuma se dey na santo dey o mo fa mra. Na kana obi ehun say ebia from 9 to 10 o medu ebia sin side o medum aden
onu say dey no am free as a Santa Seram Bate ko yinye dum kania sa de kofa atasman so kwa na da ban new side do ana light wo ho
na light wo ho
na me see we omo che no
omo bu ni tot
dubo so mo dum hana no omo de mo be kwa akoda mo light no mokoda ye no mo na mo no mo dum mo ho na ba bi omo adum no mo aso ampa ni nuane ampa miza wachi me da so de na light ko adopa no ebo
abusia for me mamu nyina mo akwaba ediba Ghana Nsem TV so but mo de so be like video na be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature ba also nsa ebitima kabi na so watch the wadwen or comment section wasa say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me ye ofen na person boan which are through number na wasi no adaroma in Sabeka na new studio so ya nyina akoso ni beso pounds so now another day I came across a video and I'm watching on social media and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now me share video no I decided me for free say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be make say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadia Nebe I say youth of youth or mind be mu Addo mo rebel politicians mu now of a sudden their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
So now for baby wo ho if there's a problem they should tell us we will get it. They will accommodate ourselves for this kind of issues about aden doom light sa doom aden dey na su Ghana say doom so na about o can say doom so na about no
Accra there the daily graphic ya there ya publish say na bia a show man e be doom show man
and mo fa kuma se dey so come
e bia ha
wo dey kuma se dey o mo fa mra na wa aka no ha kuma se dey na santo dey o mo fa mra na kana obi ehun say ebia from 9 to 10 o medu ebia new site o medum aden
onu say no am free as a Santa Seram Bate ko yinye dum kania sa de kofa atasman so kwa na da ban new side do ana light wo ho
na light wo ho
na me see we omo che no
omo bu ni tot
dubo so mo dum hana no omo de mo be kwa akoda mo light no mokoda ye no mo na mo no mo dum mo ho na ba bi omo adum no mo aso ampa ni nuane ampa miza wachi me da so de na light ko adopa no ebo be 1 AM at 2 AM ho
yes
so na kan ya no
me dati be na no madum light me dati me no madum light e sa de no so person dum light so boni panama ne o the reason why I would dum light no then me catch you PRC for almost so dum light go around 5,312 or something. I stand to correct for the figure. Yes, said you catch Ghana for was 139. And Ramu person dum light so catching the reason why I would dum light so okay. And your bomoka 5.8 million Ghana cedis. He of a day I can know e bi obi ho asam no on fili me se mo wadam fo bi da bi o insulin asem me yem fida of that bi o insulin no just what they do the se fridge now dum light on kan hwe nkire no ye dum light one ya so ha ye dum wa me se me do a ye duase tum duase no ma dum no o be so no ma so emena reason ye dem mon ka bi bia nkire nipa. And if you look at the persistent nature ye dum na ye dum pa eso no mesrew offer Would the PRO no ne nkasa? They should tell us the reason. What are the problems here at the end? Sabane di omo kana say bia Greek of one emo bibia we should get it. Ade ya pan say obeda to ani light ayade na unya light mfa nyade. Go and see how businesses people are complaining. Go and check it. How people are complaining. Aden. ECG for bia kana kwam tam kwa jump into defense. No jump into defense. Where the man for bibia ma. O man che bibia man the reason we mudum light no. Eh. Menya nka man tem mu nto aso be 1 week. Omunum ho no nko anto aso 1 week.
Man so ne.
Yes, omunum nto aso be 1 week.
Omutio.
Na feel it. Philippa Mouse say that you jump into the defense.
Omutio.
So
Bombay say ataseman so.
Yes, so
you
have a genuine reason of defending them.
You like twice.
You have a genuine reason of defending them. What's it? I don't know. I say that you may do like a problem be na ba no mo solve problem no. That means the sana academy.
Oh, the be because for example, we do kania twice be num ba ko mi mean say ta be num. No me say how is this possible?
Okay.
There should always be a reason.
Yes.
But to say challenges are man for a day ban. Concerns no a dose. Residents I woke kumase HSA. Nkaniano. Oh, it will doom ebia 4 hours. You doom hani kwa so. Yes na kwa say doom so na sem na ye kan no ano no. Oh, you doom wa woman ya koso ha, ni doom ha, ni doom hani aso ha, ni doom hani aso ha. En ye bisa. So, Electricity Company of Ghana, they almost undergo what we call maintenance.
And I'm surprised they are not taking the microphone to them so that they force them to speak. Take a position on the current happenings. Na your mama na de your mampani a oye na mampani. I am not surprised. We na no ye be kwakọ to abade kan ye bom kokọ se papa no on sesan na on sesa na on fo bibiri su kubia so amba ena mo anti ene ye ne akwani ni
for homosexuality. President Mahama has been clear that he will sign that bill and he has no option than to family values. A vote for Bawumia and Napo is a vote for homosexuality. President Mahama has been clear that he will sign that bill and he has no option than to sign that bill. President Mahama will know no peace from Sam George until he signs that bill. And he himself.
But I do think that we should have a conversation on it again so that all of us, if we decide to move that bill forward, move it forward with a consensus. And probably it shouldn't be a private member's bill. It probably should be a government bill with governments behind it after consultation with all the stakeholders to see how, you know.
I will point out that the bill in Parliament is not a government bill. It's not a government-sponsored bill. It's a private member's bill. And so Parliament owns that bill for now. And what the eventual nature of the bill would be nobody can second guess Parliament. And I as President cannot anticipate, Parliament in respect of that bill. But
a few moments later.
Regarding LGBTQ plus issues, it remains a highly emotive and sensitive issue, even in the most advanced liberal democracies. I explained during my recent engagement with the World Affairs Council that it's not the most important issue we face as a nation. We're still grappling with the provisions of basic needs of education, healthcare, jobs, food, clothing, and shelter. Nevertheless, the private members' bill introduced in Parliament has sparked a complex and sensitive national conversation. Our position is guided by our Constitution, respect for human rights and dignity of all persons, and the need to preserve social cohesion. While there are strong and differing views within our society, we believe that these issues must be addressed through democratic processes, our core values, dialogue, and the rule of law. I'm also mindful of reactions from our international partners, including the recent developments such as Lincoln University's withdrawal of their honorary doctorate.
I'm a woman penny for so. I'm at LGBT. And I saw for you know, Mossa lie. And I'm got to and I told him, Brother, and then someone I'm also a today, raise a voice. Namore. Someone more quite a friend of my mother the board so. Assemblies of Gods of Fifani, so for Wengam. Oh, what your appointment as a board chairman. And to mean Casa and Tia, and your man, and what the only Abemuno or Casa Tia. What did you mean? Or Flyama? Where is the post? The Ghana and Fabu Rubio. And then I'm going to put them on Casabio. LGBT plus, you know, it is not an issue that concerns you and your church members anymore. Na media maka me say ni poko bia mu wo ma mu bia na do abreso asem bia besi bia na fam ho na mo ka bi no efi na ekoi ye huba mu say mo ya manyofo di se mo prosofo se mo ya sojafo se mo ya asofo nananumo ahimo whoever sentfo. The position you took on issues of national interest yesterday, let us hear, see, experience what you stand for today. And yes, I'm afraid we are dealing with you as politicians. But can we have a phone? Nanu na madi nkomo. Na ne nkomo be be fa bia anu afa ne saa. Be fa bia anu afa ne saa. Because amanya sam no epiplagro. Titibore hwa ne anamu. Because mama ye hunu say. Na nyese mo ya asofu na mo kasa na mo kasa say mo ya amanyofo. And the Assemblies of God sofu. In the run-up to election 2024, no, it was so clear some politics and oil. According to the board chairman, I didn't say Ajibia Maneba. Dr. Williams Ajibia Maneba. And no more appointment. Tiasam na show Musua, one back around to Minka, no Gladani Bedwo, and a Casaqua.
Rich themselves. Now, one. Say people go to sit under such people, and I am a young. Say I crossed the age of 40 near Chile, and some maybe who say church is a scam, right? Oh, fire. And you see,
and you turn it to be a scam.
That be Obia name young upon a bio. Until a young figure from back. Obia would yame. Obia would angel didn't. As I sit here. Never again would I go and sit under the feet of anybody to tell me who God is. And say me jari no pa. Na ma shata dia say me kwasoro me be ko jogging.
Hey.
Oh yes, it was in my life.
Oh, I think
so church
you're going too far.
Has intimidated African people. Church has made us poor. Church has enriched a few.
No, but the fact
so for Penny Lawrence 2024, can be a Catholic Bishops Conference say, Woman Yatrum, and Woman Kasa and for LGBTQI plus and a fine go see him. Sadiana ye chua dear, as I said, you're sorry, Emma or can say, some Penny Kufado and science have been one, obesim pam on one man demonstration, obesim Ediaco seat of government, actually, man Penny Kufado say. This nonsense must stop. Sabokai. And then there's of Penny Lawrence that what's the name? In fact, LGBT nyawanism. One casa we no. Esa okotena se. Wa wotena se. Na wa bisa wo say. Wa bisa wo pass in the asemo a wo kan yi. Wa hunimu, wa dwenimu,
wade sua mu onti asie mu se president Akufo-Addo na tie kunwa so se Ghana mampani a enka de wo kan no nure saa na obeka no ana de wo kan no nura no enka saa na obeka me ade ba kwa me mpekra wo me radio adwuma ma ye nyina mu ne se me mpese me ka sofo bia ho asem asofo asem me mpeka kra a very uncomfortable for me me nya ade a me kakra ba se wo nyame kwan na wo de ato ho no se wo so ye sofo na wo beka no kra kire Ghana fo na nyame kwan todo no eda ho asofo esese mu hu no kra wei na mo kan na wo de ba be ye wo de be wada because wa ka se president ma ye wadamfo wo ye would be a wo ne no country musam ni